2024, we launched Capital Garden Estate. Now, you're going to watch this video and you're going to be the judge today. Rate us on a scale of 1 to 10. I would like you to drop your comments on the comment section and I'll see you very soon. Hey, we are not done. The video you just watched is a section of the 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex. Now I'm going to walk us through the Capital Terraces where we have the 2-bedroom that comes with a BQ. Let's go check it out. And you want to own it, so listen up. The 3-bedroom semi-detached duplex corner piece units, most especially, is almost sold out, but we still have the middle units of the 3-bed, but we have both the corner piece and the middle units of the 2-bed terraces that comes with a BQ. So if you want to own either the 3-bed or the 2-bed, all it takes you is to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen and I will follow through with you. The most important thing is that you need to hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop video on this channel. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.